Greetings, it's Nars. I'm doing pretty well, so I feel like continuing to play. So let's do it. Again, if you want me to play certain openings, just suggestion in the comments. Otherwise, I'm going to keep playing what I always play. I'm not one of these guys who plays lots of different openings. Eventually, I would like to get strong enough where I can do that. But for now, I'm just going to play what I know or what I semi know. I mean, I mix it up a little bit, but I actually just played different ways against this before. Uh, yeah, I think there's even a line here where you sacrifice a piece, but I don't. Is he supposed to take? I don't think he's supposed to take. I don't know. It's been a while since I looked at this stuff. Okay. Play here. He'll take with the knight, and then I don't have the knight defending this square to put my bishop on. So I also have a problem with circles. Too many circles. Huh. This is not correct for him, but on the other hand, I don't know how to punish it. I can play queen here. Huh. I think I'm going to do that unless I figure out some reason not to. It just doesn't look like a very aggressive move. Looks like he may want to castle queen, so I could also try queen here. But again, that doesn't... Queen here at least threatens something. It threatens this, kind of. It does allow him to check me, though. Either way, he could check me. I'm in trouble there? No. Not in trouble, but I don't have all day. We'll see if that's a mistake. Doesn't feel like the best move. But that's why we're doing this video series. Let's get better at chess. Alright, I'm behind a minute on the clock. Not unusual. But we are playing with increments, so there's always hope. If I get in winning position, even if I only have a few seconds, I can practice converting in a rush. Okay, he takes... Yeah, what am I thinking about if I take the pawn? It's just hideous. So, I have good central control. I don't think I have much of an advantage, if any advantage. But I don't think I have a disadvantage either. It's just a game. So we'll look at the opening, see how I could have improved it. But outplaying your opponent, okay. Oh, right, I was hitting this pawn, that's true. Bishop e2 seems really lame. Bishop d3 seems a little less lame. So I'll do it. I like how this knight is controlled. Can't come here. Damn circles. Okay, maybe he wants to come here. Should I worry about that? I don't think so. He's not castled. Should castle. King side, a little safer. Lots of knights and bishops hovering around. Okay, still looks pretty even. But then again, so is the starting position, and someone else wins, so maybe I'll set up a cheapo with bishop takes here, winning a pawn. Okay. I have to play bishop e2, that's really lame. Am I worried about him doubling my pawns? I think I am. Well, I have the two bishops, so I suppose I can claim I have some sort of advantage. Let's get this bishop out of here. Should I kick it again? I think I should. Okay, I figured he would do that. Knight there is annoying, and my bishop pair is probably all gone unless I play here, which I'm going to do. Oh, I have 23 seconds. Yeah, I don't want him coming here. So this is not a beautifully played middle game, and I have no time left practically. And he's coming to work here with tempo, maybe. So a lot of ugliness all around. Okay. I really like on Lee Chess when you drag to take something, it doesn't cover up the square like on chess.com. I mean, I keep telling chess.com to fix that, and they never do, so maybe they don't know what I'm talking about, but yeah. Okay, so I'm catching up kind of on the clock. Okay. Is it time to panic? I don't think so. Maybe hit that knight? Let's try hitting that knight. I like that. I don't know if I don't really like it though, because of that. But okay, we got opposite bishops. He's got a bad pawn. And I have 7 seconds. I'm gonna go back. Okay, I better just take that. Okay, setting my rook. I hit you. Or you take him with, yeah, you're doing that. Okay, so I'm doing this. Yeah, that's not nice. Just got to move fast. Makes sense. Probably still equal. He can check me if I do that. I don't care. No, that doesn't do anything. Dagnammit. Wow, I have no time. Ah, what the hell? Alright, I'm lost. Alright, time to resign. Very painful. Very painful. Let's just go right into the analysis rather than dwelling on. I was on a nice roll. I think I played the opening just normal. I'm not going to get into it too much in case you don't play this opening and it's not interesting for you. What, +4? Ah, well, okay. Are we complaining or are we learning? I think we're doing both. Take the knight. And? Ah! Bloody hell. Wow. Okay. Alright, everybody. I did say that queen f3 was not the right move, but I don't get credit for that. Damn. This pawn. So there's a reason. I'm like, yeah, this doesn't feel right. But all that nonsense means nothing. Just see these threats. I was talking a little too much, and then I did notice later he played f6. So he saw it. Ah, terrible. So here, no matter what, he's losing. The computer just says give up. Just don't even take the piece back. There's just no ifs, ands, or buts about it. And yeah, he's losing a whole friggin' rook. A whole rook. Wow. All right. Well, that's one lesson I will not forget in this line. F3 was terrible. And now we just have a slightly better for me. Queen c4, queen d3. Computer just says I shouldn't keep developing. Wow, b4. Huh. Don't worry about wrecked pawns. Yeah, his structure is very good. Yeah, I started to get very uncomfortable at this point. I don't know what cute thing I thought I had with bishop d2. He's got this square. Yeah, I have nothing. I managed not to blunder for a long time. Knight here first. Ah, yep, cute. I have to take, and then I lose the exchange. So yeah, tactics, 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 tactics will help your blitz game. I'm not sure if I would have seen that in his position. If I had double the time on my opponent like he did, maybe I would have. Instead he took, and now we're equal again. I'm not commenting much because we're both managing pretty well here. Doesn't accomplish anything. Rook here is a little more aggressive. I like that move. Pinning. Oops, come on, stop. Oh, what the hell? No. There we go. Alrighty. But very low time. My move is not bad. Just not going to comment too much on this time pressure. Okay, he could have taken the pawn. He didn't. Okay, this was a losing move. Instead, just, I guess, trade rooks and then come back to d3. Yeah. And, yeah, it's pretty dead position. Although in a blitz game, someone will probably win. Anyway, rook f8 was not good. Yeah. Threatening this, which in turn threatens this. Looks like game over. Yeah, I'm a piece down. Cool. But he did not find this awesome square to put his rook on. Instead, he brought his other rook to the back rank. And again, he is winning no longer with this or this. Why is this not winning? Huh. Ah, perpetual check. Always look for this in your games, especially when you're a piece down. So that doesn't work. But rook here does work, stopping the perpetual check. And how exactly is I losing? I don't have perpetual anymore, I guess. Oh yeah, because the rook blocks and yeah, this pawn's falling. Okay, fair enough. Oh, yeah. And we don't have to look much further than that. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.